It is autumn on Prince Edward Island. That means that the Scarecrows of Charlottetown are out to greet everyone and say hello. This is an October 20th look, and let's see some of these scarecrows. Each one is individually created. We're not seeing any what looks like store-bought items. That's what gives them so much personality. It's probably even people's clothes from this location. All right, that is Hunters. Let's see a little bit more. Great collection at the Charlottetown Garden over here. Love the scarecrows. Did you make one of them?
I'm one of them.
Which one of them is you?
Yeah.
Which one?
Here, I'm just standing here. So
Oh, got it. So that would be the you scarecrow.
yeah.
Good to see you today. They look great. This one's caught in thought. Very cute. All right, so this is Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island on October 20th. Keep exploring. Till next time.